Welcome to Yogidia. With this video, I'll introduce the Yogidia sequence builder. To get started, click the icon to the upper right, and then to create a class, click the plus next to My Sequences. Enter the title of your class and enter a short description. Then click Create Sequence. You're now ready to create your yoga sequence. Over here to the right, you'll find our asana database, and to the left, you'll have your yoga sequence area. Now start by finding your asana. You can search by name, both English or Sanskrit, or use the drop-down menu to find the category of your pose and scroll down till you find the desired pose. In this case, I'll choose the downward facing dog. Either drag and drop or click the plus to add the pose to the sequence area. Now you're ready to find the next pose. Next pose I will be typing the name of. I'll find all the warrior poses. In this case I'll be using warrior 1. I drag and I drop to the desired area. Next pose I'll use is already here, as it's going to be the warrior 2 pose. I'll drag and drop that one too. From here, again I will be using my downward facing dog. I can either find it in the database, but since it's already listed at the sequence area, I can drag and drop from the position over here and it automatically copies, and there you can drop it right after the warrior 2. If you want more information about an asana, click the eye in the top corner of the picture and a box will open with lots of information about this particular pose. If it's a pose that you often use, click the heart and it'll be placed in your like box right next to the search bar. Click the heart and all of the poses that you liked will be listed right here. Now let's look at another few features. From the database area, top menu, click Extras. You'll see 3 buttons, a separator, a comment and a repeat button. I'll now drag and drop the repeat over, and I want to repeat the 3 asanas, number 2, 3 and 4. So I write repeat from number 2, then click enter to save. I also want to write a text about my sequence, click enter and write again enter to save. At last I have the separator button. Drag and drop to create a structure of your class and write the next part of your class. You can also add pre-created sequences to your new sequence. At the database area, top menu, click Sequences. Here you'll see all the pre-made sequences, in this case from Yogidia. I would like to add a sun salutation, so I search for sun salutations over here. I can drag and drop the sun salutation one over just like any other asanas. Here you can view what's inside of this sequence, or you can expand it and see all of the poses within your sequence. If you want to use one of your own, you can click the little user icon over here and you'll get access to your own classes. Add values to an asana. Click on the asana, the drop-down menu will open up. All values can be printed or will be played in the sequence player. You can choose an inhalation or you can choose an exhalation, and the icons will appear on the picture. They'll also be placed at the instruction list over here, and you can always rearrange them. You can add the name of the pose, and you can also add the duration. You can even write a little note for that particular asana. You can find keywords and orientations, alignments, or even full teachings of pranayama or bandhas, or yoga nidra or meditations. When you're done, with the values, you can either click Next Pose and add a new set of values for this Warrior 1. And then you can close the drop-down box and return to the sequence. I'm now satisfied with my sequence and I want to save it. Click on the icon to the down right side and click Close. It'll bring you back to your sequence library where you can see all of your sequences. Now you can share your sequence by clicking the red icon. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google, or you can copy the text and share it with anyone you like over your email. You can also stream your class online. Find the right little pen that opens a box. Here you can choose Stream My Class. It opens up, simply click Start, and your class will start playing online. You can always stop or scroll within your class. Close that one. Here you'll get the possibility to print your class as well. Click the print icon and choose your preferences of how to print, whether you choose smaller or larger photos or with included instructions if that's what you choose. Then click Print. Now close the box, return to your sequence if you want to change anything within it. If you're satisfied, simply click Close and we're ready to start to create another sequence. We hope that you'll enjoy the sequence builder.